Hello, hello. A very early good morning from Melbourne, Australia. Today I am going to the Royal Botanic Gardens. More on that once I reach. Okay, looks like we are here. I'm hoping to catch the autumn leaves because it's currently autumn in here. And trees usually go orange. Look, I can see one. And that is my future home, that building. Yeah. Just kidding. It is so early. I don't think I'll see any humans. Might be lucky if I see some dogs. It's like 7:30 right now. This is a very big park. It's 38 hectares. What actually makes it special is that there are nearly 50,000 individual plants and around 8,500 of different plant species. Let's see if we can catch some. Oh, look at that. I want to live there. Okay, that looks like the main gate. Okay. That's a lot of information. I'm just gonna walk. Oh, places and plants to experience. Autumn leaves, which I was talking about. Diverse rows, seed heads, and structural form along perennial border near Long Island. Oh, incredible tree colors. That's what I want to see. The gardens are free. Okay, let's go. Oh, that happens at night in June. Okay. So the opening hours are 7:30 to 5:30. And of course it is free, but there are activities to do here that you can pay for. Okay, Australian wildflower and grasses. Is probably here. Oh, look at these. Oh, cactus. Can I touch it? Ooh. dry zone plants. Oh my god, look at these ones. Floating islands, clean water. What was that? Oh, there's a duck. Oh, there are two of them. A new view of Melbourne. So beautiful. Look at the beautiful sky, the gorgeous greenery. Pretty. Oh, by the way, you know, this garden is the 4th highest rated in the world. Now, I don't exactly know what 4th highest rated mean. Does it mean it's 4th best garden? The most beautiful, the 4th garden with the most plants? But yeah, 4th highest rated. The grand design. Oh yeah, apparently you can download the app or scan the QR code and listen to a guided tour if you like. Or a podcast, I've heard. Oh wow. Okay, one thing I don't understand, why are the names so difficult to pronounce? This is the field collection. Like, look at this one. Echinopsis terrible. Let's say they're all from the cactus family. Wow, look at the city skyline in the background. It looks so beautiful. Am I allowed to walk on the grass? I know in some places you can actually get fined. Look at these benches, they're like so random. There's like one like that, and then and then and then they either put too much effort into thinking about views or put no efforts at all. I don't know. Oh, so nice. A bit of a sun, cool breeze, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, at the crossroads again. Where should I go? You are at Eastern Lawn. Ornamental Lake. Let's go there. Okay. Terrace and lake. But the lake is here. Maybe I should start from there. Very bad people, very bad. Okay, I think this is the terrace, the restaurant. And this is the lake. You can do a boat ride here. Up to 3 adults, 90. Okay, I thought it was 90 per individual. And I was thinking that's a bit pricey. Look at that bird. It's like blue and black. So gorgeous. Like midnight blue. Oh, so gorgeous. Bees active in this area. Where are they? What are they doing? Making honey? Okay, what is next? Oh, what is that? I can hear a waterfall. But I can't see it. Okay, I think it's just a pump. I don't know. Oh, here. It's just water going through. Look at this for Haley and Simon, where we used to read The Age on Sunday afternoons. Which year though? I wish they said which year it was. Considering the fact that not many read the paper anymore. Oh, beautiful yellow leaves. Japanese maple. In loving memory, Alice Elka Miller, 1931 till 2006, who found joy and inspiration in her garden and in these gardens. Running Postman? Is that the name of the tree? Plant. Oh, what are these? Look, they have like something on them. Can I touch it? Look, and all of them are the same. Interesting. Is there a name tag? But I think this one is that one. The sweet box. This is Japanese maple again. Oh, I didn't know this was called Japanese maple. Because their maple leaves were a bit smaller, not those really big ones. This is from Mexico, Texas. Creeping fig, that one. China, Japan, Taiwan, and Vietnam. And again, I will say I have no idea why the names are so difficult to pronounce. I mean, seriously, look at this one. Liriodendron tulipifera. Okay, I better stop trying. I'm sounding like an idiot. Plantcraft Cottage. Okay, Plantcraft Cottage. It is okay, I guess. I know this place has a research center as well, a very big one, where people who do researches on botany and more things related to plants, also very difficult to pronounce, come and do their research here. This is Taiwan crepe Marti. Stunning autumn color. I didn't get to see many autumn colors. I think I'm still early. Has a nice smell though. Look at this, they're huge. Oh, it's called giant taro. Okay. Found in moist limestone associated forests. China, Bangladesh, Southeast Asia. Giant taro. It is pretty big. Please keep off. Oh, it just looks like bamboo. No, it is bamboo. Bamboo is one of the many Chinese plants that has symbolic meaning. It's panda food. Isn't bamboo panda food? Oh, look at the spider web. Someone has been busy. More bamboo. Nandina domestica. It is from China, Japan and India. Pretty. Look at the beautiful bird. It's so gorgeous. More of them there. Another one. Look at the twins. They're so cute. I guess that sums up my day at, oh, butterfly. Sorry. I guess that sums up my day at the Royal Botanic Gardens. It's a beautiful place for picnic. If you want to do activities, it was a very nice experience. Absolutely beautiful. I came really early, so I didn't see many people, not much noise, so it was really nice. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.